Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the clinical sidebar. The clinical sidebar, located on the right-hand side of the clinical screen, provides additional functionalities that are specifically relevant to the patient's clinical information. The tools and information offered in the sidebar are applicable and beneficial for efficient management of a clinical case. The tutorial video will explore all the resources available in the clinical sidebar, starting on the clinical screen, where you will find the sidebar automatically and readily open on the right-hand side of the screen. For more information regarding the clinical screen, please refer to the clinical screen, navigation and use user manual linked in this video's description. At the top of the clinical sidebar, you will see the basic information of the debtor and patient to whom the clinical file belongs, starting with the debtor number, which is a system-generated account number of the debtor. Next to the debtor number, you will see the debtor name and surname, which is the name and surname of the person responsible for the payment of the account. You will also find the name of the debtor's medical aid in the same line. In the following line, you will see the dependent number allocated to the patient by the medical aid, followed by the patient's name, surname, gender, date of birth, and age. Next, we will go over the patient's demographic information. Click on the Additional Information panel to reveal more details like the patient's address, contact information, and medical aid number. Please note that the debtor and patient information can be changed at any time. For more information regarding how to edit and update the information, please refer to the View and Update Debtor and Patient Information user manual linked in this video's description. Average adherence shows in percentage how consistently a patient follows their prescribed medication regimen. Please note that GoodX is integrated with HealthWindow, which receives its data from Discam when a patient collects their medication from the pharmacy. For more information regarding how the data is collected and integrated, please refer to the HealthWindow Integration Medical Adherence user manual linked in this video's description. For administrative purposes, selecting a case allows you to set what type of case this is for. Click on the Select a Case drop-down menu and select the most appropriate option. Adding a new case can be done on the Quick Access section of the clinical sidebar. The Quick Access buttons provides the practice with immediate access to essential features. To create a new case type, click the New Case button, enter a description and click OK to save. The new case type will now be available on the Select a Case drop-down menu. Now, let's move over to the Sticker button, which allows you to manage smart stickers for the patient. Click on the Sticker button to open the Smart Sticker Protocol screen. For more information regarding smart stickers, please refer to the Add a Smart Sticker Protocol to a Patient user manual linked in this video's description. Next, we have the Patient Dashboard, where you can get an overview of the patient's details and clinical history. Click on the Patient Dashboard button and the Patient Dashboard screen will open. For more information regarding the Patient Dashboard, please refer to the Patient Dashboard user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Story button to change the view of the clinical screen to the view of the clinical history screen. For more information regarding Story Mode, please refer to the clinical screen sidebar How to use Story Mode user manual linked in this video's description. The Discovery Health ID button allows you to verify a patient's medical aid, confirming the benefits available on the patient's current plan. Please note that the Discovery Health ID is only available on the files of Discovery patients. For more information regarding how the Discovery Health ID works, please refer to the clinical screen sidebar How to use the Discovery Health ID user manual linked in this video's description. In this section, you will see the smart stickers that have been added for the patient. Click on the desired smart sticker and the Smart Sticker Protocol screen will open. Here, you will be able to manage the patient treatment plans for specific conditions, which will inform both the patient and the medical team about when to perform certain tasks related to the patient's diagnosed conditions. For more information regarding smart stickers, please refer to the Add a Smart Sticker protocol to a patient user manual linked in this video's description. To quickly add frequently used forms, you could add them to the Easy Events section. You can either click on the form name to open the form on a clinical screen, or alternatively, you can click on the drop-down menu on the Desired Forms button to access the form's previously set up workflow event template. For more information regarding setting up your Easy Events, please refer to the Easy Events user manual linked in this video's description. If you would like to access all available forms, click on the Forms Library drop-down and simply select the form you need. Please note that the forms that appear on the list are the ones that have been loaded for your practice. Lastly, the Active Forms section displays forms that have been added for the current appointment. Use the Email All, Fax All, Copy, or Delete options to manage these forms efficiently.